1, getting ready to hit the road to New Orleans area. It is 4:30 in the morning. Getting ready, all packed up, getting ready to go pick up Mike, and then we will be on the road all day. And then as soon as we get there, we're going to hit the ground running, get the RV cleaned. What's up, guys? Just got down here to New Orleans. As you see, got the RV behind us, getting ready to wash it. Going to get, like I said, get this thing washed up, clay barred, let it dry overnight, and then we are going to paint correct tomorrow and Wednesday ceramic coat it, and go from there. See, get this thing done and head back to Indianapolis, and you'll get to check it out. We're going to start by washing the RV. I use Jax Wax Strip Soap. And after we get done washing the whole thing, we're going to use Clay Mitt over the whole entire thing, and then let it dry overnight and start paint correcting it tomorrow. Finally to New Orleans, time to get to work. Here you have Jim, myself, and Mike washing the RV with Jax Wax Strip Soap, foam cannon, and filtered water. We'll get it cleaned up, let it dry overnight, and then we will start early tomorrow morning buffing and polishing.
Is removing the contaminants from the paint. We use a type of lubricant. In this case, we're using our detail spray. You can use body shine, anything like that. We have a synthetic clay mitt. Properly spray, lubricate the area. I try to make a square pattern, make an outside box. And then I go east and west. And then I like to finish the way the paint is, and I go north and south. So that way you're cross-hatching the paint to make sure you get all the contaminants off. Once you've lubricated the area, take your towel, wipe north and south, so you're going with the directions of the paint. And what you have now is all the contaminants gone, so when we go to polish the vehicle, there's nothing there, so we're just polishing the actual clear that's on the paint.
I got one of these.
Day 2, it's time to do a whole lot of buffing. Here we are using our Rupes buffers, pads, Jax Wax Perfection, and Finesse.
Finishing on the final step here, on our final preparation. We use our final finish, which is a 10,000 grit. We're using a 7,500 grit foam pad, and we're going to do at least 4 passes on here to get the final refining of the scratches out of the paint before we prep spray and then ceramic coating. It goes on the same way as any other step. You start out slow, spread the stuff out. Pull the trigger.
That's what you're using right there to finish it off before we get the ceramic coating. Good morning, welcome back to the channel. It's day 3, and finish up doing a little bit of polishing, a couple small areas. Then we're going to prep the whole entire RV before we lay down the ceramic coating. Jim, you want to tell us anything about prepping the RV?
What we're doing now is we're using our prep spray, which is a combination isopropyl alcohol. It's to remove any waxes or polishers or anything that we may have missed when we were getting the motorhome ready for work. Basically, it's a spray and wipe. We always like to use 2 towels with it, just to make sure we get it properly wiped. Make sure there's nothing left on the material, so when you ceramic coat it, it's all coming off.
Welcome back. We are finally to the last step. We're about to apply the Jax Wax 10H graphene ceramic coating, as you see Jim there putting it on, and we have clean, decontaminated, and polished. Now he's applying that in a 2x2 area. Lets it sit for about a minute or two. Let it rainbow, and then wipe it off. Want to add anything, Jim?
Nope, you did good. Just wait for the rainbow effect. Just to make sure, and the rainbow is actually the high spots if we didn't put it on properly. Just the rag will actually just level it off and make it beautiful.
The ceramic coating can not only be applied to paints, but it can be applied to trim and the glass as well. It is 5+ year coating and high gloss, easy to maintain. All you have to do is use a foam cannon, a little soap, clean it off, dry it off, you're good to go. What's going on, everybody? It is Wednesday afternoon, and that behind us is a finished RV. Got here Monday nights, roughly 6 o'clock. Started, got it washed, got a clay barred, let it dry it overnight. Hit it hard early Tuesday, got it buffed and polished. Finished that last night around 8, 9 o'clock. Got back here today at 7, got it ceramic coated, and we were done by 2 p.m. As you see, owner behind us, another happy customer. And that's going to conclude our video. We enjoyed being down here, first time being down here, and if any of you out there are interested in having your RV done, let us know. Give us a call, 317-572-5298, get it scheduled, and we'll see you guys in the next video.